Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to create a canvas art using materials from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so you'll need one canvas. I'm using these iron-on bird decoration. These are iron-on transfers. I'm also using these gold leaves. These are the sticker decals. And then I'm also using these wooden word decorations. You also need a paintbrush, acrylic paint, and you'll also need scissors. Okay, so we're going to begin with applying some acrylic paint to the canvas. And here I'm going to be mixing my light peach and my brown paint. Okay, so next you're going to want to use a heating tool to make sure the acrylic paint is completely dry on your canvas. Okay, so now I'm going to add my wooden decoration, and my wooden decoration says hello. I'm adding some hot glue on the back side of the decoration, and then I'm just going to place it down onto the corner on my canvas. Okay, so now it's time to add the leaf decals. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to trim around the design. And after doing that, I'm going to take the backing off, and then I'm going to gently press them down onto the canvas. Okay, so now we're ready to add on the bird iron-on. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to apply the hot glue, and then I'm just going to gently press it down onto the canvas. Keep in mind that the iron-on, it does have a sticky backing, but to be sure that it stays in place, you'll want to apply some adhesive. And just like that, your autumn canvas art is complete. Thank you all for joining me and creating with me. I'll see you soon.